Hey my beauties, how are you? Today I've got a lot of info to tell you. Remember when I showed you this COLORSET pencil and it just like disguises your wrinkles on your face? It's back in stock. If you don't know where to get it, I will put a link down below. I think it's on sale also. Also, I wanted to tell you about the Retin, and I believe I told you in a video about you need to order early when you need Retin, otherwise from reliable pharmacy, reliable RX, otherwise you will be using this. Like, this is my tube that I was using, squeezing every drop out till I received my 3-pack. And believe me, I didn't use it for a while and I started peeling again. Really peeling. Like the skin was falling off my face. But I did enjoy it. I did, because I knew it was going to leave new skin. Next, we are having a giveaway in this video. And guess what? imethodbeauty is giving away 5 kits of this to 5 of my winners. Now, all you have to do is be a subscriber and follow them on Instagram, imethodbeauty, and leave a comment below, and I will enter you in the contest. I will pick 5 winners, and when I pick the winners, you have to watch the video where the winners are picked. You can just email me at the ohcarolshow at yahoo.com with your information, your name and your address, and I will send the information to them. They are going to send it to you right from their company. So what you will get is stencils, the pomade, the sponge brush, the spoolie and angled brow brush in a little closable zippered pouch. It's so nice of them. I absolutely love this product. I wouldn't even be suggesting for you to win this if I didn't approve it. I absolutely do approve it. It's waterproof, it goes on nice, and if you find the stencils too hard, it doesn't matter. I use the fabulous skinny hard brush. You see how skinny it is? It's very skinny, very firm. You can make hair-like strokes. This is my favorite brow brush, and it comes with all this and a lot more stencils too. A great little spongy brush, and the product is transfer proof. It's great. And the pomade, and I just put it on. Boop, boop, boop. Very easy. I do find it's even easier than the stencil, but the stencil is a great trick. It really works great. But you do have a choice. So it is a wonderful company, and they wrote me and they said now they want to give 5 of my lucky winners a eyebrow kit. Next, I just wanted to tell you this eyebrow shaper pencil by NYX is wonderful. It's just a waxy pencil, and if you have any hairs that stick up, it works great. I must tell you that those creams I was using from Dermalogica and Strivectin and Ole Henriksen are all working out perfectly. They're nice and thick. They stay on. Oh, I could just feel it. It's fabulous. Let me check. Let's see what else. Let me check. I've been doing YouTube shorts and Instagram stories, and I showed these 2 products, and these are my dupes for the DHC cleanser that I have been using for years. They are 1/3 of the price each. I think they're about $10, $11 instead of $39 for the other cleanser. Both both these and the DHC absolutely equal. Absolutely equal. I bought these both because I just couldn't decide, and I do like them both. So I don't know which one I will buy again, but I'll probably buy them both. I just like having a choice, and they both work equally well, just like my old cleansers. So this is a new tip, a new dupe for you. Oh, also, these cleansers, they can be used with wet hands also. You could just put them on your wet hand and just do it. That's what I do in the morning when there's no makeup on my face. But when there's makeup on my face, I apply it with dry hands. 2 squirts, that's it. 2 squirts, and start removing your eye makeup. That's the heaviest. And then you go around to everything else. And the lips, I usually wipe with a tissue after I put this on. But then I just rub and rub and rub, nice and gently, get everything under the lashes, and it comes off. It's amazing. 40 seconds and you're done. See how easy? Only 40 seconds. This is the greatest dupe. This one or the pink. Either one. Now it's emulsifying. You don't want to wash it all off. You just want to move it around. Now, take my sponge, my rough sponge, and my Grace and Stella soap, because I like foam. I scrub. Oh, I'm also those foundation adjusters that I found from Physicians Formula. They are working fabulous. Don't seem to change the integrity of the foundation that I'm mixing it with. I just mix it with it, and I put it on my face, and my foundation is adjusted to the right color. So I really approve of those. I had bought this by the Abnormal Beauty Company, the Ordinary, I think it's the Ordinary Company, the argireline solution, 10%. So I've been doing research on it to see how to use it, and you can use it all over your face, but basically you would use it on where you have lines. So I would put it there, 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 there. Just spot treatment. And the reason this is so good, it is a peptide, which is a short chain amino acid, which are the building blocks of protein. And it works to inhibit movement. You take this, a little squirt, you put it on wherever you have a line, of course without your makeup on, and just rub it in. I would suggest crow's feet, marionette lines, what are these, puppet something? I forgot what they're called. But forehead lines, which I don't mind forehead lines. I never mind forehead lines. There's too many ways you can cover them up. Also, be on the watch for the shorts that I'm doing. I try to put some really good info on there. And I'm on TikTok and Instagram, the ohcarolshow. And if you haven't subscribed, press the little red thing with the little bell. Only if you smiled. If you had one little smile during the whole video, then you should subscribe. If not, it's okay. Thank you so much just for being here and watching, and I appreciate you all, and I hope you know that I'm here for you. Thank you, and I love you. Mwah.